Hi, the following tutorial is to introduce you to GIMP, a free software application that you can download and use to create and manipulate graphics and text.
G'day guys, today we'll be looking at a piece of software called GIMP. GIMP stands for the GNU Image Manipulation Program, and it is a great piece of free software that you can use for photo retouching, image editing, this sort of stuff. So it's a great piece of software that you can use if you don't have Photoshop or some other more high-end software to create your digital submissions for your entry into CATC. This is the website where we download GIMP from. It's simply GIMP, GIMP.org. And as you come to this page, it's most of the time as easy as clicking the download button to download the software. Now currently I'm on a Mac, so if I hit the download button, it's going to take me to the downloads page, and I can choose a couple of different versions when it comes to GIMP on the Mac. Just click on this download GIMP 2.6 under the GIMP for Mac OS X link is by far the easiest way to go about it. Now it will take you to another web page. Don't be worried, it's just a slightly different version of GIMP. Now if you scroll down, you'll be on the download page by default, and it's just simply a matter of choosing which version of OS X you have. I'm currently on Snow Leopard and Lion, so I'm just going to click this top link here. That's going to take me to another web page, and this web page is going to trigger the download in a couple of seconds. So you can see the download is going to start in 1 second. So it's going to start downloading the document, and it will download into your downloads folder. If you are on a PC, then clicking the download button on the home page will take you automatically to the Windows download. Otherwise, you can always click on the download links in the right hand menu bar of the home page. That will take you to the download page, and if you scroll down, you'll see there is a link here that says show other downloads. If I click on that, it'll give me a list of other operating systems. Scrolling down, you'll find an entry that says GIMP for Windows, and you can click download GIMP 2.8.0. It'll take you to the same download web page, and that download will start in 5 seconds. Once again, the download should download just straight into your default downloads directory, and once it has downloaded, if you go to that directory, you'll see that there is a file there, GIMP 2.8, etc, etc. On Windows it'll be an installer, on the Mac it'll be a DMG, a disk image file, and if you're on a Mac, you simply double click that disk image, it'll open up the installer, and you'll get this window. Installing GIMP is as easy as dragging the GIMP icon onto the little icon that says Programs, which is your Applications folder. Let go, and it'll simply copy across onto your hard drive. And once it's copied, it's pretty much ready to go. Now you'll also notice on the Mac that on your desktop you'll get this little external disk icon. Once this copy has completed, you can simply drag that disk icon to the trash can. So I've just copied the GIMP software onto my applications folder. If you're on a PC, you've installed it into your program files. So on the PC, if you click the Start menu and go to Programs, you'll be able to access the software. On the Mac, simply click the Applications folder and scroll down the list until you see the GIMP icon. Clicking on it will launch the application. There'll be a security warning, just hit Open. And if your X11 software is not up to date, you'll need to download this particular Xquartz plugin. Now, there's a bit of a glitch with this application. If you click the download and install button, nothing really happens. So you're better off doing it manually by clicking on the Xquartz website button. That will load up your internet browser, and you'll be taken to this particular page. Now, it looks a bit menacing. It's a simple matter of clicking on the very first link, X11272, or whichever the latest version is. That will take you to a download page, and you can download this XQuartz DMG file. So clicking on it will start the download. I've already downloaded it. It will copy the file into your downloads directly, just downloads directory, just like it did with GIMP. And in your downloads directory, you'll find this XQuartz DMG file. Now this is just for the Mac. You won't have this problem on the PC. To install XQuartz, just simply double click on the DMG. It's a disk image just like the GIMP file was. It'll install that folder onto your desktop just like the GIMP was, and this time it's a package. So if you just double click on the software, and you can run through the installer. Just follow the prompts. You'll be asked to insert your password, and the installer will run.